This is the Acer Predator Helios 18, and Acer says it's basically a desktop-class gaming rig you can close up and throw in a backpack. Big screen, insane power, no compromises. But here's the thing. After actually living with this for a week, gaming on it, editing on it, and dragging it around way more than I wanted to, there are a few things Acer doesn't exactly highlight in the ads. So the real question is this monster actually worth your hard-earned cash? Product overview. This is the Acer Predator Helios 18, Acer's flagship 18-inch gaming laptop, released as part of their latest Predator lineup. And this thing is aimed squarely at hardcore gamers, creators, and power users who want desktop-level performance without being chained to a desk. We're talking Intel Core i9-HX series processors, NVIDIA RTX 4080 or 4090 graphics, a massive 18-inch mini LED display, and enough RGB to light up a small room. This is not meant to be subtle, it's meant to be powerful. And honestly, that's exactly the lane Acer is driving in here. Performance. Short answer, this thing absolutely rips. I use the Helios 18 for everything, from AAA gaming like Cyberpunk 2027 and Call of Duty to heavy multitasking with video editing, Chrome tabs everywhere, and background apps running non-stop. And at no point did it feel slow. Ever. Games run buttery smooth at high or ultra settings, especially when paired with the high refresh rate display. Frame rates are consistently high, load times are quick, and even during long gaming sessions, performance stays stable. What surprised me most is how well it handles sustained workloads. Rendering video? No problem. Streaming while gaming? Still smooth. This is where the HX series Intel chip and high-wattage GPU really flex. Now, fans do get loud, and we'll talk about that, but performance-wise, this truly feels like a desktop replacement, not just a powerful laptop pretending to be one. Features and tech. First, the 18-inch mini LED display. This thing is gorgeous. Bright highlights, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. Gaming feels immersive, and content creation, especially video and photo work, benefits massively from the screen real estate. Next, the cooling system. Acer uses their advanced fan setup with liquid metal thermal grease on the CPU. What that means for you is better sustained performance and fewer thermal throttling issues during long sessions. Then there's the keyboard. Per-key RGB, solid travel, and a surprisingly comfortable typing experience. Whether you're gaming or typing for hours, it feels responsive and premium. And finally, connectivity. Tons of ports, USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and Ethernet, so you're not living that dongle life. Plug everything in and go. Design and build. Aesthetically, Acer fully embraces the gaming laptop look. Sharp angles, aggressive lines, and RGB accents everywhere. You'll either love it or think it's a bit much. Build quality, though, is solid. It feels sturdy, well-assembled, and premium for a gaming machine. The downside? It's big. And it's heavy. This is not something you casually toss into a backpack every day. It's portable in the sense that you can move it, but you'll definitely feel it. That said, if you want an 18-inch screen and this level of power, that's the trade-off. Battery life. For basic tasks like browsing or watching YouTube, you'll get a few hours at best. Start gaming, you're plugging in always. But honestly, that's expected. This laptop is designed to be used plugged in, delivering maximum performance. Think of the battery as a backup, not a selling point. Pros. Desktop-class performance. Stunning 18-inch mini LED display. Excellent cooling. Plenty of ports. Cons? Heavy and not very portable. Loud fans under load. Final verdict. Look, if you're a serious gamer, a content creator, or someone who wants desktop-level power but still needs the option to move your setup, this is an absolute beast. It delivers incredible performance, a stunning 18-inch display, and the kind of reliability you want for long sessions. But if you're a student, a frequent traveler, or someone who values portability and battery life, this is probably overkill, and honestly, a smaller laptop would make more sense. The Helios 18 isn't trying to be everything to everyone. It knows exactly what it is, a no-compromise powerhouse. And if that's what you're looking for, this thing absolutely delivers. So that's my take on the Acer Predator Helios 18. Now we want to hear from you. Would you daily drive a laptop this big, or is this just too much machine? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this review helped you out, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more honest, real-world tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.